If you're coming into Shenzhen and want to see the drone delivery, right now I am in the Shanghai, Shenzhen, near the drone delivery place. We will experience drone delivery today. So this is the main platform in here. Once you come here, you must need to scan the QR code from here, and you can order these options like KFC, Gaga, some other drinks, also McDonald's. After you scan the QR code, the menu is just coming out. You can choose whatever you want from here. There is a milk tea, some burger from KFC or McDonald's, or some other Chinese type of food style in here. Have it. I just finished the order right now. It will take the 40 minutes because there are too many people in here trying to experience this drone delivery in Shenzhen, Shanghai. Look at this place. Looks amazing, so futuristic. And there is a one building that looks like an airport. We will see this place in another videos. So I got my package right now. Let's open up. Wow, it's in here with my drink. It was just amazing experience for me to order drone delivery in Shenzhen city. I am living in here almost more than 13 years and sharing my experience to everyone from Instagram and the YouTube channel. So don't forget to follow, like and comment. See you in the next one.